What's going on YouTube? It's your girl Chantelly Lace coming at you with another video, and today's video is a makeup video. Yes, I'm going to show you how I did my eye look today, the palette that I used, the lashes that I used, the liner that I used. So if you want to see how I created today's look, just stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. I'm so excited. Yes, because I get to play with makeup. Yes, it's been so long since I got to play with makeup with you guys, and I got so many new palettes. I'm so excited to play with them with you guys, and I got some new other products that I wanted to share with you as well. But yes, before we get started, if you are new here, my name is Chantelly Lace. I do haul videos, makeup videos, lifestyle, business videos. So if you are into that, go on, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. But yes, we're gonna go on and get started. Alright, so let's get started. We're gonna start by priming my eyes with my Morphe primer. I got this in one of my beauty subscription boxes and I like it, and it's almost gone, so yeah. Got good use out of it, but we're just going to prime these lids so this shadow can stick. I'm not sure what I'm going to do today, if I'm just going to do a natural look or put some color in there. I have no idea, but I'm trying to put a lot on. Alright, there you go. Yeah, I got a lot on now. Now I'm going to take my little mini beauty, it's not a beauty blender, my mini sponge. I can't remember who this is from, but I got this, I know, from, it's either Walmart or Ulta, and it came with like 3 or 4 in a pack, different sizes and different shapes. So I'm just going to pat that on there. Alright. That's nice and patted. So I'm going to go in with my Pur Festival Palette. I got this, and I believe it was my Boxy or my Ipsy. I'm not sure which box it was, but I'll have that video linked down below. It's a really pretty palette, and I've used it twice so far. So, yeah. Super pleased. No issues here. So, I'm going to go in with Photo Op, which is this brown shade right here. And tap that off. And just going to use that as a transition shade. Yeah, I like this color. Nice little transition shade. I might do this all over the lid too. Who knows? Alright, so got that in there. Let's keep buffing it out. Building up the intensity so they match. Alright. Next, I'm going to go in this BH Cosmetics Flatter brush. It's a 102 brush. And I'm not sure if I want to do Insta-worthy. I'm going to go back into Photo Op. I'm just going to put Photo Op all over my lid. This is just going to be a nice natural look, more so that it can focus on the lashes, you know. Alright, so I'm just going to put this all over my lid. Alright, that looks good. And I'm going to go back in my blending brush and just kind of make sure everything's blended nice and blended out together. And then I'm going to go into a smaller blending brush. This one doesn't have a name. It's a brush that I got from Amazon. That was sent to me like a year ago. I'm going to go into Onset. It's dark brown right here. And I'm just going to deepen up my V area. Nothing too much. I don't want it to go super far. I just want it to deepen it up right there. Just kind of depth. That's what we're looking for, definition on my outer V. So I'm not putting too much. You see the difference? It's not like I put a lot, I didn't drag it in and out. I'm not doing a deep V. Just want depth. So when you want definition and you don't want to, like, you know, do like that smoky eye look, just put a little in your V area. So just give it a little definition. So So that is done. I'm pleased with how that looks. So now we are going to go line my eyes, and I'm going to line my eyes using my Flirty Gurl Lashes Luxury Bonding Eyeliner. So this eyeliner is like a lash adhesive as well. So basically, you'll line your eyes like a liner and let it dry about 5 seconds, and then you'll be able to put your lashes on, and they'll stick all day. So I'm going to start here, and this dries matte. No smudging. I'm going to start with my outer wing, if I can get it together today. Alright. Alright, so I already want to do my other eye off camera, but I'm going to be rocking my Stunna lashes, which is from my faux mink collection. And I'm going to cut the end a little bit because, you know, they will be a little big. So, don't need no glue or anything. Just going to set that right there, and you see it's stuck right on. Boom. Easy as pie. Lashes are on. And we're ready to go. So as you see, they stuck right on. Ain't going anywhere. They will last all day. So yes, I would highly suggest picking one up for yourself. And it's buy one, get one free today. So that way you get you 2 of them, boo, for the price of 1. So yes. Super cute. Let me go on and finish my face. I need to put some lips on, okay? Alright, so I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetic Cashmere Cream lip color, lip stain, lipstick, whatever you want to call. And this is in shade T. This is in shade T. So I'm just going to put this on. I apologize if y'all can hear that. These kids are outside playing, which I don't understand some people's parents. Like, okay, then when your kid gets sick, you want to be stressed out about it. You shouldn't have around other kids around this time. Like, y'all need to be keeping to yourself. So, I don't understand people's concepts right now. It's so stupid. I'm sorry. I'm keeping mine away from everybody. I'm staying away from people because I'm not trying to get sick. I don't want my kids to get sick. You shouldn't want your kids to get sick neither. It's just so weird to me. And then kids don't know how to properly wash their hands and not touch things. And these kids that are outside are like preschool age. So, I mean, retarded. Hey, to each its own, right? So I'm going to put a little bit of gloss on. And this is from NYX. This is the Butter Gloss in Praline. I love the Praline because it's a nice little nude gloss. It's non-tacky, and I like the color of it. Give me a little brown on top of what I got going on. Alright, so this is the finished look. This is what I got going on today. It's super hot today, so nothing too much. And I really just wanted to focus more on the lashes than like the makeup. So yes, so these are in style. Stunna. They're only $12 and they're in my faux mink collection. And I also don't forget about the luxury bonding eyeliner. This is really, really good. Keeps your lashes on all day. And I mean, come on now. How easy is that? Just draw your line and pop them on. no glue or anything. So I would highly pick this up if you like, and it is on sale today. Buy one get one free, so I would definitely check that out. I'll have the link down below. I will be having more makeup videos coming. I'll do a full face makeup video next time, but I did use the Becca the Becca full coverage 24-hour foundation in maple, and I did try out the Born This Way setting powder, and pretty much I did the Pur Festival eyeshadow palette, and I have my lashes on, and I use my lash liner, which is a adhesive as well as a bonding liner as well. So yeah, I'm super pleased. And then you seen what I did with my lips. So yes, I'm pleased with how this look came out. Hopefully I don't sweat it off. I don't plan on going outside too much. But yes, that's all I have for today's video. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.